Hey folks, it's Glenn the Ball Chef, and tonight we got something special for you. It is a Vietnamese-inspired beef short rib recipe that it'll knock your socks off. I've tried this one other time and it really came out good, and I wanted to share it with you. It inspires XO sauce. I don't know if you've ever heard of that. Cognac XO. Well, they have a soy sauce and they have a paste that's XO, so I guess it's extra special or whatever, extraordinary. I'm not sure what it is, but it infuses ginger, the XO sauce, garlic, some hot peppers, and we're going to whip this thing up for you and see if you like it. So without any further ado, let's get this ball rolling and get into the kitchen. Alright, let's get excited here. Follow me. Watch what I do here. I've been soaking this beef rib in some water, just kind of cleaning it up a little bit. We're going to be drying it off on some paper towels. Don't want to put this wet beef short rib in a hot oil when it's got water on it. It's going to make a mess. So we have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in there. And now we're going to bring this up to full heat and start laying those short ribs, those beef short ribs, right into that oil. We're going to brown them off, so when they're finished, they're going to look absolutely fantastic. So we're putting them into the oil. We're cooking them off. We're just browning them off, really. We're not really cooking them. Got those all laid up in there. Then we're going to take a half of a garlic. We're going to lay that into that oil, season the oil up, which really makes this thing special. As we come along here, getting the garlic prepared up in the background, and there it goes. Put that right in there. So we're going to cook these off until they're golden brown. Oh, they're looking good. They're looking good. They're smelling good. Oh my gosh. I just have a feeling. I've done this before, but I have a feeling this is going to be something that'll knock your socks off. Oh my gosh. There we go. Okay. So we've got these browned off. Now our vegetable selection. Ginger. Absolutely ginger. Very, very healthy. Good for your lungs. It's a medicinal herb. It's very good for you. Now we've got some Asian peppers. Smash those down a little bit. Cut those up. We're going to put that into the brew. It's going to be a sweet and spicy sauce that's going to come with these short ribs, I guarantee you, folks. Now that we have had our beef short ribs browned off, we're putting it into a Pyrex baking pan. I have our oven preheated to 350 degrees. And now we're going to start adding in the ingredients. The first one, the ginger. Absolutely ginger. Getting that ginger in there. Oops. Ooh, I don't know what happened there. Now, I think we're putting in the star anise. Gives it a really unique flavor. Get that in there. And we're going to put in our 30 ounces of beef stock. I think we've already thrown in our Saigon cinnamon. Now we got the XO sauce. Stuff is really amazing. The branding they did on this, I don't know who came up with the idea, but I had it when I was in Vietnam, and I thought it was pretty cool. A little bit of vinegar in there, just a tease. And so we got the spicy with peppers. So I guess the next step is some honey. Also very healthy for you. So we're going to put that in there. And then last step, 2 tablespoons of the tomato paste. Kind of
Whisk this around a little bit. Like I said, we got the oven already set, 350, 45 minutes. Might want to go, depending on the size of the ribs, you might want to go 60 minutes. I'm not sure. I'm going to go with I'm going to roll with the 45. Then we'll tease it up with a little bit of black pepper, just for fun. And take some aluminum foil, wrap this up so it's going to steam and roast these beef ribs to a T. Open up that oven, put that in there, close it, and now it's time.
The ball show. And we just finished up our little fusion dish here. The Vietnamese inspired short ribs, beef short ribs with the XO sauce. I think it's time to maybe give this a little try here and see how it tastes. And I think it's going to be delicious. And get a little bit of this XO sauce on here. Get a little rice. Give this a taste. Wow, that sweet, spicy sauce, XO sauce, very delicious. I really think you stop by. I think you should give this recipe a try. Sub up, man. Hit that icon bell. Let's get together. Let's make this thing happen. We're all in this together. So if you want to try this, hit the description. You'll see a link to the recipe itself. And I think it's something that you would really enjoy. Make a great, unique dinner for friends and family. At any rate, like it if you like it. If you don't, tell me. Doesn't make any difference. Just tell me the truth. But at any rate, it's Glenn's Ball Chef, and it always bon appetit.